Hi, greetings there friends. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Wishing you, it's the weekend. Yes. I think this excitement for it to be a Friday sort of stems from like being back at school, my Monday to Friday, then like the weekends was time I could just spend running and do my own thing. As I got older, I recognised that, with children, the weekends were equally as busy. In fact, probably the weekends were probably just as busy as they were during the day, during the Monday to Friday. But now that my children are older, young adults, the week Friday is really a time for me just to really reflect, to think about the past week, to give thanks, just to give thanks that we're here, we're alive, we're together, we're sharing this space. We're very grateful to be able to share this space, and just to give thanks. So please, I encourage you to spend the next few moments with me, just about 5 minutes, in a very short, simple, guided meditation. And if you are feeling slightly off balance, off key, wondering how you're going to get through Friday, let alone get through the whole weekend, then just take a moment whilst you're watching this video. Take a moment just to pause, to breathe, and to acknowledge how far you've come in your journey. They say gratitude is the fastest path to prosperity, health, wellness, and it really is. I truly believe the times when I've been feeling ungrateful or anxious, when I actually take a stop back and sort of pause and think, okay, let's give thanks. And I just stop and pause and just acknowledge how far I have come in my journey, and that I'm here sharing this space with you. That shifts any sort of negativity or any fears that I'm not good enough, that I don't deserve this space, that deserves opportunity. So I really encourage you to join in now with this very simple gratitude meditation. So as usual, when you come to meditate, make sure you feel comfortable. I'm sitting on a block on the floor, but please do whatever works best for you. One of the main things is to make sure you are comfortable. To sit with a really nice long spine and get a sense of opening your chest. Nice broad chest, hands behind your back, just open up your heart centre. Tuck the chin in, and you can have the palms, Vishnu Mudra, palms up, dominant hand in, touching palms, touch, whatever works best for you. The main thing is just to find a position where you feel comfortable, and you can just be still for like another about 5 breaths. That's all we're going to do, just 5 simple breaths. So take a moment. I invite you to take a moment to find your comfortable space. Maybe sitting on a chair, on the floor, a block. Maybe lying down. Whatever you find a comfortable position, let's go there right now. And when you're in your comfortable position, take a moment to get comfortable, to ease out any aches or pains you may notice in the body, any feelings of stiffness. Do some gentle stretching, some simple chair yoga, anything you automatically feel inclined to do, just to get the body still. Release tension from the body. Then I invite you, if you wish, to close your eyes, which really helps to reduce the sensory load receiving through the eyes. Or you can keep a soft gaze, looking down towards the tip of your nose. So you've got your comfortable space, you've got a comfortable body position. I invite you now to set an intention, to think about what has felt good this week. Maybe you've had a really disastrous week. You've got bad news. You've been at the raw end of work colleagues. You've not had a lunch break. You've taken work home. You've had to go to the school because your child's been playing up, maybe playing truant. Maybe it has been one of those weeks. And as you sit here reflecting over your past week, take a moment to notice how you feel. To notice where you feel, whether it's good feelings or not so pleasant feelings. Just notice where you feel those feelings in the body. And breathe. So you're just observing your week, noticing the highlights, the low points, and just noticing as you reflect upon your time, what felt good, what felt, not so good, not so pleasant, and notice where you feel those feelings in the body. And then whatever feeling or emotion you're connecting with, I invite you to breathe. I invite you to take a full breath in from the belly. Just breathe in a full breath in and breathe out. And again, full breath in and a full breath out. Full breath in and breathe out. And as you're staying connected with the breath, I invite you to give thanks. To say a quiet prayer, a few words of peace. A few words to give thanks for your health, your strength, vitality and energy. I invite you to be still, to find your core, to listen to the messages from your heart and to give thanks. Give thanks that we're able to be here together, connecting. To give thanks that you're alive, you're healthy, you're vibrant. To give thanks that in this moment of time, you're present. You're connecting the mind, the body, the breath, and you're living from a place of ease, a place of grace, a place of strength. So just be focused on your breath. Focus on breathing in grace and gratitude and letting go worry, anxiety and stress. Breathe in grace and gratitude and strength. Breathe out. Well done. Well done. So just take a few moments to come back to the sounds, to the space you can hear in and around the room. Inhale, exhale, and give thanks. Well done. Well done. So, dear friends, I wish you a peaceful weekend. I wish you a weekend full of joy, happy family times, togetherness, truth and bliss. And I trust that when we next meet on the live, you'll be well, that your loved ones will be well, and that all things in your life are well. Take care, dear friends. Have a beautiful weekend. Keep well, keep loving yourself, and be happy. Cheers. Namaste. Cheers.